You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I D D. We are here in Nashville, Tennessee, here to create some content, right? So let me give y'all a little bit of background. I was looking for a place last minute, searched all of these search engines for places, came up on this spot that is actually dope for being able to create content. And then I slid in the comments of Miss Shonyee, and then she left me on red, okay? Yeah, we about to put her on the spot now. But she came through for me, okay? So let me hand it over to her and let her tell you where you all can find her at.
You can find me on Instagram, and that's IAMSHONYEE, and that's SHONYEE. Or you can find me on, just do Instagram.
Uh-oh, she got the Twitter? Yep, okay.
I got TikTok.
She got TikTok.
All the information is on my Instagram if you want to find me something.
Okay, all right, so I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner. We are going to do a few one light setups. Right now I got the Nikon Z7 II with the 85, and then also I'll be shooting with the Godox 8200 and Godox V1, and she came through with the fit. Can we get a 360 real quick? Okay. Okay, so that is the fit, and you all will see like the aesthetic of where we are shooting at. It's about to be fire. Are you ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
All right, I'm ready. I'm always ready. Stay ready. You like that side? All right, so I'll shoot from over here. I think it should be good right there. All right, so yeah, good to go. All right, let me change my focus. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, yeah. All right, so we're gonna do that same pose with the shoulder off the blazer. Yeah, 1, 2. Boom, and look at me with it. And put your chin up. Perfect. Yeah, I want to kind of save this, so I'm gonna shoot from this side again. So let's see if we can get, that's actually perfect right there. One, 2. Slide just a little bit forward for me. Ooh. All right, good right there. I am trying to make my life easier. I'm gonna have to edit that thermostat out. So I'm like, that's an easy one. All right, we good right there. 1, 2, perfect. Yeah, I like that. Keep that right there. Keep that right there. Oh yeah, that's fire right here. Hold on, 1, 2. Hold that right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. And yeah, look at me like that. All right, let's see. See what we got. Ooh, that thing.
I like that reflection.
Yeah, nah, that's perfect right there. All right, 1, 2. Yeah, that's it right there. All right. Let me move this out the way. I like that right there. Okay. 1, 2. Perfect. Yep. And then give me like your hand up again. Yep. 1, 2. Now turn around and face me with like that same position. Yeah. That's cool. 1, 2, 3. Let me do that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's fire right there. That's fire right there. Hold on one second.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fire. Yeah. Could you take your heels off? And we're gonna play with that a little bit and get you sitting with your feet up a little bit. And then that'll work. 1, 2. All right, and put your legs on either side again. Like one on both sides, yeah. And then bring your arms in between and just kind of like lean into me. Yeah, like that. Perfect. 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 All right, now what I want to do is just get a couple more shots. And you're actually gonna sit on the edge of this and you're gonna really like, and point your toes. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, perfect. Can you let your blazer kind of dripped off back there? So, nah, you keep it on, but just let it flare out back there. Yeah, that way we see her. Perfect. Yeah, that's fire right there. Make it a. All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well, let's get that interaction real quick. Okay. So, you got any other outfits that? Yeah, you got any, that just went so amazing.
Great.
It went awesome. And, we just saying, I know you probably came with a lot of stuff. So, any other outfits you might happen to?
I got a few.
Okay, so let us see like your best 2 that you like.
I actually got 2 left.
You got 2? All right, let us see the 2 then. And we could do like a little boom, 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 see what it's looking like. And we could, pop some shots. You probably put it on. Okay. Yeah. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.